Do you want to build a platform where multiple business owners come, open their own stores and start selling under your brand like Foodpanda, like Etsy and Alibaba? Now, this is perfect for entrepreneurs building the next big platform. It's a marketplace. You can call this a digital mall as well. A platform where every sale generates income for you. And there is no massive development team, no huge investment, and no complex coding. Today, I will show you how to build your own multi-vendor marketplace by using one powerful WordPress solution. Yes, I am talking about WCFM Marketplace. So, without wasting your time, let's jump into the video. Most people build a normal online shop, and where there is one seller, one inventory, and one business idea, like a boutique website. But what is a multi-vendor marketplace? You can call this a mall, where there will be multiple vendors, multiple stores, and multiple revenue streams. And each seller will get their own dashboard, their own products, their own orders, their own reports as well. And you control the system, you set the rules, and you earn the commissions. Yes, that's the power of platform. WCFM Marketplace works with WooCommerce in WordPress. Vendors register on your website, they submit products, customers buy, and commissions are automatically calculated. You can set fixed commissions, percentage commissions, vendor-wise rates, product-wise rates, category-based, and even membership-based models. You control the entire revenue structure, so you can't call this just a basic plugin. This is enterprise level flexibility. Now, you want serious control? You can get it. Shippings can be configured by country, zone, weight, distance, and zip code. That means you can build a food delivery platform, a local service marketplace, a global product marketplace, even a wholesale system. It scales with your vision. Now, here's where WCFM shines. Vendors gets a powerful front-end dashboard. They can add and edit products, manage their inventory, process the refunds, handle orders, chat with customers, track their earnings, and yes, there is even a free vendor mobile app. That alone changes the game because serious sellers want mobility. For payouts, it supports Stripe, PayPal, bank transfer, and more. Your vendors get paid smoothly and you will get your commission automatically. Win and win. I know you want more power? Don't worry. WCFM Ultimate unlocks. There you will get the store invoices, support ticket systems, delivery modules, advanced reporting, and Elementor integration. You are worrying about that you are already using another marketplace plugin like Dokan or WC vendors? No problem, because there is a migration tool as well. Switch your data without losing your vendors, products, and everything you want. And that's a serious flexibility. Agencies creating marketplace solution for clients, local businesses wanting a shared selling ecosystem, startup founders validating marketplace ideas. So, if your goal is to build a platform, not just a store, this is absolutely for you. Now, let me be honest. Setting up a serious multi-vendor marketplace can feel overwhelming at first because the commissions, the shipping rules, the vendor policies, and the design customization. If you want it done professionally, don't worry. We have been in this web design and multi-vendor store setup journey for over last 15 years. We provide complete marketplace setup services at a minimal cost. So you can focus on growth and we will handle the technical foundation. Now I want to ask you something. Do you want to build just another online shop? Or do you want to build a platform where others build their businesses under you? Because that will make the difference. Let me know in the comment section. And like the video, subscribe for more powerful WordPress strategies, and I will see you in the next one.